Hi, I'm Roger Parson, CEO of Optec International, and I'm here today to introduce you to the company's plan to reopen America safely using Optec tools and technologies and products. This comprises of a suite of products that we carry, we produce, starting with our thermal digital temperature scanner. It's a touchless scanner. It's high-tech quality and capability, has 20,000 profile storage capability, and is extremely accurate to 99.9% detection of the temperature.
Hi, can you please walk through our scanner before I check you in?
Welcome.
So now that we've seen the standalone versions of this technology for use in doctor's office, dentist, school receptions, any type of reception area, we're going to demonstrate now the terminal gate technology, integrating the same scanner, which will now allow 40 humans to pass through this terminal within a 1-minute time period, again using the green temperature acceptance mode, which is visible on the scanner itself, and then we're going to simulate a non-acceptable terminal using hot liquid and demonstrate here the difference and how the terminal will not allow access to the individual at that point. Now, if this is in a school environment, obviously the school would have their requirements for someone with a temperature to actually remove them away from the populated area. The added feature to this is if this is at the point of entry of a school, which is where it should be, where the parent drop-off or the bus drop-off is, there's sufficient time after the scanning for the parent to pick up the child and take them home with them instead of doing that after the event and receiving a call from the school. So now that we've achieved access to campus from the students, teachers, personnel, cleaning staff, and delivery personnel too, it's pretty safe to assume at this point that the green temperature, allowed a non-virus environment at that point of entry for access around the school campus. However, we all know that the COVID virus is an airborne virus, and something could happen during the day just from an airborne type environment. So in order to secure that even further, our proposal is that we take the same technology and attach it to this pedestal stand that we provide to outside of the classrooms, the bathrooms, the cafeteria, the library, gymnasium, all across the campus to allow constant scanning of all personnel on site during the day. Realistically, what we're proposing for the on-campus environment from the start of the school day to the end of the school day is that all personnel and students are being scanned, but in a very unobtrusive way. Let's talk a little bit about how we're going to sterilize all of the buildings on the campus now that we've established that the students and personnel are actually as safe as possible under current technologies. How do we do that? We use the rover, the Optec rover. As you can see, the Optec rover 1 has the capability to sterilize and disinfect using ultraviolet light in a very safe environment of 1,000 square feet every 15 minutes. Most classrooms are not that large, but on some campuses clearly they are. So the sterilization time, preschool, post-school, and even during school are acceptable times to completely sterilize a classroom, cafeteria, gymnasium, library, or any other open building in the environment. The details of the rover are shown here. They're also on the company website at optecuvc.com. Details all the technical specs and safety aspects. So now what we've been able to achieve with 2 out of 3 of this suite of products is safe entry to the school, the campus, safe exit from the school, but sterilization using advanced UV and UVC technology throughout the day to keep all personnel on site as safe as possible with all available equipment. The third component is our very popular, our flagship product, the Optec iWand, which is a personal sterilization device. Again on the same website. Huge demand for this product. Very high quality, Apple quality product, and can be used by and should be used by all personnel on site. Teachers particularly for when during classroom operations, handing out documents, books, all kinds of materials used in the classroom, keyboards, whatever they would sterilize basically using toxic chemicals. You can use the iWand as an alternative with no harmful effects to anyone in the room. So using the combination of these three products and using the schools as an example, but clearly much more opportunities for using the same concept for businesses, airlines, metropolitan transport, buses. The list is limitless. But as a company, and these are our products that we are now offering, we feel extremely comfortable presenting these products as a suite to safely reopen America, not only in business, but in schools, events, as I stated earlier. We want to help. This suite of products can and will help with all the existing safety measures in effect that are mandated by the government and the state. Thank you for listening to us today. We hope you enjoy our products. Any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to the company. Thank you.